Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, we will test your knowledge with 20 MCQs to help you ace your exam. Let's get started with our first question. Which of the following describes the process of fractional distillation? Separation of an insoluble solid from a liquid. Separation of a solvent from a solution. Separation of liquids based on different boiling points. Separation of a mixture by magnetism. Let's think and try to solve it. The correct option is separation of liquids based on different boiling points. Let's move to next one. What is the electronic configuration of a magnesium ion? 1s22s to p6, 1s22s to p6 3s2, 1s22s to p6 3s1, 1s22s to p6 3p2. Think for a second. The correct option will be 1s22s to p6. Let's move to the next one. Which subatomic particle determines the chemical properties of an element? Proton, neutron, electron, nucleus. Let's try your guess. The correct option will be electron. On to the next question. Which ion has the same electronic configuration as neon? Sodium ion, magnesium ion, fluoride ion, all of these. Take your time. The correct option will be all of these. Here comes another one. What is the relative formula mass of calcium carbonate? 40, 44, 84, 100. Try your luck. The correct option will be 100. Time for the next one in the reaction. What is the volume ratio of hydrogen to water? 1:1, 1:2, to ratio 1, to ratio 2. Take your time. The correct option will be to ratio 1. Next question on the way. What is the pH of a solution with a hydrogen ion? Concentration of 1 times 10 to the power of -4, 4, 7, 10, 14. Think for a second. The correct option will be 4. Get ready for the next one. Which of these metals reacts with cold water? Copper, zinc, calcium, silver. Take your time. The correct option will be calcium. Let's move to the next one. What is the oxidation number of sulfur in H2SO4? +2, +4, +6, -2. Think for a second. The correct option will be +6. On to the next question. Which pair of substances can undergo a displacement reaction? Sodium and calcium chloride, zinc and copper sulfate, magnesium and potassium nitrate, iron and magnesium oxide. Take your time. The correct option will be zinc and copper sulfate. Let's move to the next one. Which of the following substances is an example of a giant covalent structure? Sodium chloride, diamond, ammonia, carbon dioxide. Think for a second. The correct option will be diamond. On to the next question. Which process is used to extract aluminium from its ore? Fractional distillation, electrolysis, cracking, filtration. Try your luck. The correct option will be electrolysis. Time for the next one. What is the empirical formula of a compound with 40% sulfur and 60% oxygen? SO, SO2, S2O3, S2O4. Think for a second. The correct option will be sulfur dioxide. On to the next question. What is the main product when methane burns in oxygen? Carbon, carbon dioxide, and water. Carbon monoxide, hydrogen, and carbon monoxide. Think for a second. The correct option will be carbon dioxide and water. On to the next question. Which of the following is an exothermic reaction? Photosynthesis, combustion of methane, thermal decomposition, electrolysis of water. Take your time. The correct option will be combustion. Let's move to the next one. What is the approximate percentage of nitrogen in air? 21%, 78%, 0.04%, 50%. Think for a second. The correct option will be 78%. Get ready for the next one. Which type of bond is formed between sodium and chlorine? Covalent bond, ionic bond, metallic bond, hydrogen bond. Try your luck. The correct option will be ionic bond. What happens at the anode in sodium chloride electrolysis? Sodium reduced, chlorine oxidized. Sodium oxidized, chlorine reacts. Think for a second. The correct option will be chlorine oxidized. Get ready for the next one. Which process breaks hydrocarbons into smaller molecules? Polymerization, cracking, neutralization, distillation. Try your luck. The correct option will be cracking. Time for the next one. Which gas turns lime-white air cloudy? Oxygen, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen. Take your time. The correct option will be carbon dioxide. Don't forget to share your results in the comments below. Like, subscribe for more quizzes and study tips.